Okay, in this video we're going to learn the basics of the interface of Figma. So if you open the desktop version of Figma, this is something like what you'll be looking at. You have your kind of recent projects here, teams, projects, and different information over here. But we're going to start from the very beginning. So we're going to go up to where it says design file here. I'm going to click on that. We're going to make a new design file. Okay. So this is the basic Figma interface. In the middle, we have our workspace, which doesn't have anything yet. On the left-hand side, we have layers, assets, and pages, which we'll get to. And then on the right-hand side, we have things like settings, like fonts and colors and effects and stuff like that. And you'll see that more once we start working with this. So the first thing I'm going to do, and did I mention the tools are on top? These are the tools. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use the frame tool, and I click on the frame and then watch what happens. Over here on the right hand side and with the settings, I have a bunch of different templates. Okay, so what am I designing for? We can do these various types of iPhones or Androids. There's tablet and desktop settings. Okay. And all kinds of other stuff that we won't get into right away, but maybe eventually. So I'm going to pick the kind of phone that I have, which is the iPhone 15 Pro. And I click on this guy, right? And then this is called a frame, and it's about the size and dimensions of the iPhone screen, okay? So now we have something in our design file. Really quickly, in order to zoom in and out, we're going to do Command minus, right? And Command plus. Shift 1, if you hold down Shift and 1, it will always, so if I start zoomed out, Shift and 1, it'll always zoom into the entire selection there because that's what I have selected. Okay, so I'm going to make a few of these. So I'm going to zoom out so I have room to make a few of these. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold down Option on the Mac, and I'm going to drag a new screen here. And I'm actually going to do 4 of them, okay? And Figma, like, you'll notice that snapping with the lines there so that it keeps everything aligned. It works really well. So up here, I'm going to label these guys, right? So these guys are going to be different screens of the app that I'm designing, the user interface of the app that I'm designing. So this is going to be the home page, where the thing you first see when you open the app, right? This is going to be product details. Okay. This is going to be checkout. And then this is going to be confirmation. Okay, so if I select all these with my little rectangular marquee tool, and then I do Shift 1, it zooms perfectly so that they are all in alignment there. So I'm going to conclude this short video here, and after you are done watching this, I want you to do what I just did, okay? So we'll see you in the next video.